Chennai Central Railway Station, name of the oldest, busiest and important railway station in Southern Railway. This station is well connected with metro station. To facilitate independent travel of visually impaired persons, 2 Braille maps have been installed at the main entrances for complete guidance about the railway station. Braille indicators have been installed which guides and empowers the people with visual impairment to reach the ticket counter from the entrance gates. Escalators are not easy to use, so appropriate Braille marks have been provided at the starting and ending points of the escalators for assistance. Platform indicators to identify the platform numbers. This helps people with disability to reach the right platform at the right time. This reduces their dependency to ask others for directions. A scannable QR code is available at various locations which redirects you to a sign language YouTube video explaining every important detail about the railway station. Complimentary Braille booklets are also available at the railway station, which provide a complete guide about the railway station to visually impaired persons. Divyang toilets which are provided for persons with disabilities have been made more accessible to empower people with disabilities. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have been provided at the railway station to assist people using a wheelchair to board the trains easily. Under this CSR initiative, Nissan Motor aims to provide these facilities at 45 stations pan-India, especially in Tamil Nadu. In the first phase of this project, these facilities were provided at 15 stations.